Hello sweetie, welcome back to my channel. Today is your first time you're coming across the channel, you are watching Lady B Kitchen. Thank you for stopping by. So my people, today's video is another Obonge video. Today I'm super excited to be sharing with you one of the best stew you can eat and you will not like to go without making this stew again. So today I will be sharing with you how to make your best tilapia fish at home. With just simple ingredients, your stew is ready. Tilapia fish is one of the best fish you can use to cook any kind of food of your choice. It doesn't select any food to make use of. You can use it to cook any soup and any food you think is good to go. So I like tilapia fish and I'll be making use of it. So today I'm going to share with you how I used to get this stew done. Let's go. To start guys, first of all, I wash the tilapia with a clean water and salt and vinegar. So after washing the tilapia fish, I let it to drain out the water for 5 minutes. So before that, I add this oil in pot, then let the oil to hot. So now I'm just trying to add the tilapia fish one after the other inside the oil. Before that, I first of all added some chopped onions in the oil before I start adding the fish. So adding this oil before adding the fish is very good. It will help you to give the fish a very good flavor and a very good outcome. So this will enable the fish not to scatter during the frying process. So it's very good to add the onions before you start frying your fish. So I will let this to fry for 5 minutes before I will turn the other side to fry.
You help me, I help you. That's what friends do. You need me, I need you. What will this world be without a lover like this? A beautiful you are inside and out.
So guys, at this point the tilapia fish is being fried and is dry at this point. So all I will do is to take it out from the oil. Then after doing that, I still have some assorted meat that I'm going to use to support the stew. So I will still adding the assorted meat inside the oil, then fry that to get dry. Then before I will start frying the stew. The assorted meat I use, I'm still going to leave the names in my description box. I use cow beef and roundabout. So I go market, I find roundabout guys, my first time seeing it here in India. So I'm so much excited. So I make use of it on this recipe, and I will still leave the name of the ingredients I use in this video in the description box. So don't forget to check my description box. Now I'm done frying all the meat and the fish, everything is ready. So guys, I'm using the same pot to fry the stew. Before that, I reduced the oil that I used to fry the meat because it's too big. So then the little bit of the oil is what I'll be using now to fry the stew. First of all, I add in my chopped onions to fry for 1 second. Then after adding that, I will add in some blended ingredient, which is ginger and garlic and onions and hot pepper, to fry for 5 minutes before I will start frying the tomato. So I will give this one 5 minutes to fry. Then after 5 minutes, then I will start frying the tomato.
Through things I feel you, I see you. There to make me smile when I'm sad, and I know you care for me. It shows in the way you treat me through thick and thin. A beautiful.
After after frying the pepper and the onion, so take a good look at that. This is how it looks, and I really like the outcome. The aroma in my kitchen is so amazing. At this point I will be adding the tomato. So over here I have my fresh tomato and tomato paste. So I will just add everything at once, then stir this to fry for 15 minutes. So guys, this is the seasonings I'm going to use to spice this stew. So here is all the seasonings I use, and everything is here. I'm going to leave all the name in the screen and in my description box. Don't forget to check it out. So at this point I'm about to start spicing the stew. All this seasoning you are seeing, guys, is so amazing. This taste of this seasoning is so good. So it makes the stew to go to another level. You know what I mean, guys? The stew is so delicious. The outcome is not here. So I will just add all of it, one teaspoon of the spices. Then after adding that, I will stir everything together. So at this point the salt is not there, then I will still add some salt to taste. You know, we need salt in our food, so every food we need salt. So after adding everything, then I will stir together and give it a cook. So now I will be adding the fried fish and the meat. So I will just pour everything inside, then give it a stir. Then after doing that, I will add in some little bit of water that will enable the soup to get cooked. Now that you are done adding the fish, you don't need to give it that much stir so that the fish will not come and scatter. So guys, we just stir it little by little like this. So after that, I will give this to just 5 minutes to cook with low heat. Okay, because the fresh tomato that I use, first of all I boil it, then drain out the water before I start frying it, and that is very helpful. At this point, I have turned off the gas so that the stew will cool down for some minutes. So the stew is ready, guys. This is the outcome of this stew after cooking. I will give it a little bit of stir, then keep it aside. So guys, what did you think you are going to eat with this your stew? Because for me, I am master of rice. I'm eating this stew with white rice. So I will still take you guys on how I cook my white rice. Over here I have a clean pot, then adding some clean water. Then after that, I will give that water for 5 minutes to turn to boil. So now I'm just done washing the white rice. So I will turn everything inside the hot water. So now I will just add in some salt to taste on this rice. So we are cooking the rice with some salt because you need it. So I'll just add in 2 tablespoons of salt.
There to make me smile when I'm sad, and I know you care for me. It shows in the way you.
The next we are going to need it before we cover the rice is oil. So guys, in my last video I show you guys the importance of oil while boiling your rice. So at this point we are still making use of oil on this rice. Then I will just still stir and cover this amazing rice to cook until it's done to eat.
Oh, you be already. Thank you, I'm grateful.
After 5 minutes of cooking the rice, I come to check on it, and at this point it haven't done. So the rice is not ready. So all I will do is to add in some bit of water. This will enable the rice to get final cook. So I will still cover and give it 10 minutes to cook. So the rice is done at this point and everything is ready. Just take a good look at our stew now. My people, check out. So the stew is ready at this point, and this is the tilapia stew we are talking about. So let's serve and eat this amazing stew. Now I will just add in the stew on top of the white rice because it's going down with this amazing white rice. Just take a good look at that. So my people, I tell you guys, I I come across roundabout. My first time seeing it in India market, guys. I'm so happy when I found this, really. So I haven't seen it since that I'm living here, but when I go to this market, I really find it, and I'm so happy. So if you are eating roundabout and if you know what is roundabout, I want to see your comment. Add it in your comment section, okay? Add it inside your comment. I would like to read it. And if you like it as I do, still let me know in the comment, because me, I love it a lot. So it make this my stew like sweet me as I really want them. So that's all, my people. If you are not giving this stew a try, please, you have to try it at this time, because this tilapia fish is so amazing. The outcome of this stew is so delicious. You can use this stew to eat your yam, your plantain, anything you think is good for you, and your white rice. So me, I'm eating mine with white rice, and I really love it a lot. So everyone that tastes this stew really confirm that this is so amazing. So I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Before that, I have something amazing to share with you guys. So if you don't want to miss it out, you have to stay tuned until you see this that I have for you. So let's see. So guys, here we are. This is the amazing soup that is coming your way very soon, guys. This is very delicious soup that everyone have to give a try. This soup is coming your way very soon. At this point, I'm not going to call the name of this soup yet. I will still like you to guess the name for me in my description box if you know. So it's coming your way soon, and please don't miss it out, because it's the one of the soup you will try again. So, and I tell you guys in this video that you can make use of tilapia fish in every food you think you want to eat. Tilapia fish is very good for health, and it's very good to make use of. Tilapia fish is one of my favorite fish, and I like to make use of it a lot. If I'm not cooking with tilapia fish, that means I'm cooking with catfish. So these two fish, I don't joke with it. So that is it, my people. So this fish is very good to go. Just take a good look at the soup now. My people, tell me who be this soup now. Who it be? Okay, I want to know in the comment section. So tell me, what is this soup all about? See you in my next video. Bye bye.